Thanks for purchasing your travel trailer with Lippert's Ground Control TT leveling system. You'll find that it will save you time in setting up camp. It's a fast, accurate, automatic electric system with an auto rehitch memory feature. Before we get started, here's a quick overview of the touchpad. The up and down arrows along the left side allow you to scroll up or down through the menu display on the LCD. Enter activates modes and procedures indicated on the LCD display. Retract places the leveling system into retract mode. Auto Level places the leveling system into auto level mode. The front button activates the tongue jack in standard mode and activates the front jacks in the manual mode. The left button activates the left jacks in the manual mode. The right button activates the right jacks in the manual mode. The rear button activates the rear jacks in the manual mode. And finally, the on, off, or power button turns the leveling system on and off. The power tongue jack can be operated at any time using the buttons on the front of the tongue jack motor enclosure, or by pressing the front button of the touchpad in standard mode. Once in manual mode, if you press the front button, both front jacks will extend at the same time. If you press and hold the button combination of front and left, or front and right, the individual front jacks can be extended. Pressing the rear button will extend both rear jacks at the same time. To extend individual rear jacks, press and hold the button combination of rear and left or rear and right, depending on which jack needs to be operated. Pressing the left button will extend both the left front and the left rear jack. Press the right button and both the right front and the right rear jacks will be extended. Before you begin, make sure that the trailer is parked on a level surface and be sure to chock the tires of the trailer. Make sure the battery power is on. Disconnect any wires, chains, or sway control that may be equipped between the tow vehicle and the travel trailer. Unlatch the travel trailer coupler. Press and hold the extend button on the tongue jack or press the front button on the touchpad in standard mode to extend the tongue jack to the ground. Continue extending until the travel trailer coupler releases from the tow vehicle hitch. Once the coupler is clear of the hitch, pull the tow vehicle away and park it at a safe distance. After unhitching from the tow vehicle and parking the vehicle at a safe distance, locate the leveling touchpad on the unit. Press the on-off button, then press auto level to begin the sequence. Please note, once the automatic leveling cycle has started, it is important that there is no movement in the travel trailer until the trailer has completed the leveling process. When the auto level sequence begins, the front of the travel trailer will seek a position near a level state using a combination of the tongue jack and front jacks. During this sequence, the tongue jack will partially retract. The rear jacks will then extend to complete a rear leveling sequence. When the rear leveling sequence has been completed, the travel trailer will adjust front to back and side to side. Each jack will perform a final grounding touch. Once this has been completed, the LCD screen will read Auto Level Success. The LCD screen will then read Ready, followed by the current battery voltage. The green LED at the center of the 4 leveling jack buttons will be illuminated. The hitch recognition feature in Ground Control TT remembers the height of the travel trailer at the time you disconnected your tow vehicle from the unit. To begin, turn the touchpad on, then push the up arrow to scroll to the Auto Hitch Height Enter to Begin option on the LCD screen. Push Enter. The rear leveling jacks will retract, followed by the tongue jack extending to the ground, then followed by the front leveling jacks retracting. The tongue jack will then adjust the height of the front of the travel trailer coupler to the point at which the auto level button was most recently pressed. Then, press the on-off button to turn the system off. Next, back the tow vehicle into position to align the tow vehicle hitch and the travel trailer coupler with each other. Press and hold retract on the tongue jack to retract the tongue jack until the coupler sets into position on top of the tow vehicle hitch. Latch the tow vehicle hitch and connect any wires, chains, or sway control that may be equipped between the tow vehicle and travel trailer. Press the retract button on the tongue jack until it is fully retracted.
We strive to make the mobile experience better with cutting-edge technology that campers want. Lippert Components. Your journey begins here.